Today I have some incredibly exciting news to share. I've built a powerful new Claude Code skill called Teach Me. It is essentially your own personal AI tutor designed to teach you anything you need to know efficiently and effectively. In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of why you need this skill, show you a live demo of it in action, and finally walk you through the simple installation process. What is Teach Me? The Teach Me skill is a comprehensive AI teaching assistant. It comes packed with over 20 built-in teaching methodologies, allowing it to adapt to your specific learning style. Whether you want to learn a broad topic like machine learning or dive into a specific code base, this tool has you covered. Key capabilities include autonomous learning. Tell it what you want to learn and it researches the topic, creates a study plan, and builds a learning path. Flexible inputs. You can provide a repository link or a documentation URL like the Python docs as a source. Interactive content. It generates courses in HTML and Markdown, complete with charts, diagrams, and progress tracking. While it won't replace human teachers, it acts as a highly capable AI mentor that you can integrate directly into your Claude environment. Now, let's see it in action. I'm going to ask Teach Me to explain the foundations of quantum computing. Notice how it asks clarifying questions first to gauge my current knowledge. This ensures the course is tailored for a beginner or an expert, depending on my needs. The skill gathers updated information from top-tier resources like MIT OpenCourseWare, verifies the data, and builds a roadmap. As you can see, the output is highly interactive. We have lesson structures, clear formulas, and even visual diagrams to explain complex concepts. Installing Teach Me is simple. Download the raw skill file from the repository, open Claude Code and navigate to Customize Skills. Click Add Skills and upload your downloaded file. Once uploaded, you are ready to go. Teach Me skill, you can build personalized courses for any topic, from coding repositories to physics. Just speak to it like you would with Claude, and it will act as your dedicated teacher. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and follow for more cool AI tools and updates. See you in the next one.